Alright, so let's do an unboxing of this whole home energy monitor with one pair of CTS. Remotely monitor and manage energy use and status of Leviton smart circuit breakers using the app. Only Wi-Fi required. I don't like that, but it would be better if it could be with Ethernet cable, as you can see here. This is another one. Here you have the Ethernet cable. Always is more secure. Otherwise, if you have a lot of interference, it may not work. Also, someone may hack in your system. If you have for instance, an embassy or places with high security, they don't use Wi-Fi. But for a house, might be okay. So as you can see here, it says for residential use only, 110 to 40, and read instructions. Here you have the manual. In the other side, it says enable smart features of Leviton smart circuit breakers, remotely monitor whole home energy usage or use, includes input for up to 2 additional pairs of smart main meters accessories, just in case if you have to add this. Here you have one pair. It will be for the main load panel, but if you have a generator, solar panel, an inverter, something like that, you may be able to buy more because you have more ports. I'll show you later. All right, so here it says remote access from anywhere using my Leviton app. Wi-Fi required, and it says must be installed by a licensed electrician. You don't have to be a licensed. If you know how to do the work, you can do it. Otherwise, you may be shocked. But that is for the attorneys, I guess. What else? Here is a single app in My Leviton, because if you buy the smart breaker by themselves and you don't have this, you cannot use this, so it's kind of useless. So I bought this and I said, okay, I'll use it. And then when I started reading the instructions, you cannot use it without this. So here you have 200, here 300, so $500 just for the basics. Here says in industry first, the My Leviton app consolidate the control of My Leviton load center smart circuit breakers and the core smart Wi-Fi product line, enabling users to seamless control load center activities and home lining from anywhere in the world using the smartphone or tablet. What else here? I read everything, so I'll show you everything that comes inside. Oh, it's empty. There is nothing inside. So here we have the product. I'm going to put this on the side, so that way we save some time. So here you're going to have everything that comes in the box. This is what you see here. I'll show you. There are a few things I don't like it, but yeah. Okay, so first here they should use another letter. You see, white with white doesn't make any sense. If they want to put the brand, it should be in another color. All right, so here you have the CTs. So you're going to use this CT1, and then you have 2 and 3. So if you have a generator, an inverter for solar panels, and here if you remove this, there is some wiring extra. I'm not going to use it. And if you push this 7 seconds, the button that you see here, you can set it up. And if you want to factory reset it, you have to push this 14 seconds according to the manual. Here it says made in assembly in Mexico. Surely it was made in China. So I would recommend you just to put some holes in the panel and just stick it there instead of using the double tap here. It will fall over time, so it's a disaster. And another thing that I don't like it is you don't have any Ethernet ports. Wi-Fi sucks. Here you have the antenna, so basically you have to remove one of those knockouts, put this in the panel, put this in, and that's it. If you have a hole that is too big, you may be able to use one of these O-rings, put it in the panel, and then you can put this later. So here we have the wiring. And you have to use a 240. So you have the two hot ones here and the neutral here. That's it, simple. So here you have to use a double pole. So you will have to have one of these. In the instructions, it doesn't say if it could be 10 amps, 15, 20, 200, 500, who knows. So yeah, the consumption of this is, I think it was like 40 milliwatts, not even a watt, nothing. And milliamps, sorry. I think it was 40 milliamps, it's not even 1 amp. So I think anything will work. So put it like that and you should be good. And then you have these, the CTs. So if you see, it says up to 300. So you have to, the two hot ones that goes into the panel, you have to run it like that. And if you see here on the side, it says K and L. So where you have the main breaker for the whole panel, that is how you have to put it. So the L is, I assume, is load. So if you have the main breaker here, just make sure that it's aiming towards the breaker. And here, the same thing. So all the brands, they have the same thing. So you have to make sure that it's aiming to the right place, read instructions, and everything should be pretty explanatory. So as you can see here, it says, for instance, it says that you have to have a Wi-Fi and only 2.4 gigahertz. So very bad. If you have 5 gigs, it's not going to work. You have to have an old router. Other than that, if you have an old router, it will work. So it says what you need to make it work: 2.4 gigahertz, iOS 12 or later, Android 8 or later, and make sure that you have a strong signal, otherwise it's not going to work. So that you can monitor that with your cell phone. And that's it. So basically that is how you do it. Here, like I said before, this is, you remove the knockout, put it there, the antenna, and that's it. Here you will say, okay, how to connect it, and that's it. Later I may make another video. So if you see here you have the main breaker, and if you have the main breaker that is going like that, like in my case, make sure the L should be on this area, on this side. And if you have it on the other side, just, aiming to the L should be aiming towards the main breaker. Other than that, that's it. Here it says that you have to connect to double pole this, but it doesn't say the amperage. So if you put any breaker, that should be okay. And here it will explain you have phase A, phase B, hook them up, the CTs, make sure that you follow the instructions, and that's it. So that is everything that comes in the box. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. If you want to keep learning, go to the playlist, have everything organized by topics. Thank you for watching, see you next time.